Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do these nice pink gemstone nails. I'm so excited. So we are going to start off with Ideal Pink Builder Gel. Now, Builder Gel is such a thick consistency. So with this, as you saw in the jar, that it is actually going to hold its shape. And I really like to use this as a base. If you have watched any of my baby boomers, I tend to use this underneath. And then when I kind of do my fade out, I use pink one step. Since I literally took off my nails 5 minutes ago, because I just didn't care for them. So they're already built up. Yeah, you can see they're already filled in, but I wanted to have a pink base because I think having this pink under the gemstone is like perfect for that really kind of, not see-through, because it's not see-through because I'm not doing a glass nail, but it gives it oomph. Is that a good way to put it? So again, these were already built out, so hindsight 2020, I should have taken them down, and because I'm going to encapsulate them a little bit, not a ton, but I would have taken them down. So when you do this design, I completely recommend it be encapsulated. So that means it would be just a thin base and then go in with the design, and then whatever you encapsulate with. I chose Jimmy Gel because it was just there and it's easy, and this is the second time doing my nails in 2 hours. So with a 6-month-old, that can be a little tough. So now that we are coming towards the end, you can kind of see that I'm pushing the gel around where I want it, because this is going to stay. So sometimes with like one step or pink one step, you'll see I do one nail and then come back and then do another. Well, Builder Gel is going to stay. So you don't have to worry about having to run into the lamp because it's running all over your cuticles. I did cure my thumb though, and then I do these 4, and then I go into the lamp to give it a full cure. And again, if you're getting heat spikes, make sure you do that on low or in, out, in, out. The best part, the glitter. So these are just off AliExpress or Amazon, probably both, maybe one, I don't know. I've had so many hauls, I can't even keep them straight. So I'm concentrating this on the middle section, and I feel like this is Isabel May Nails' like go-to for her awesomeness. Like if I were to give her like a nail design, which she's kind of like known for, I would say her gemstone nails, because I'm obsessed with them. So as you can see here, we are putting Jimmy Gel down. I didn't put anything down on the thumb, and it was a little bit difficult. So put your Jimmy Gel down, don't cure it, or a clear layer of gel, whatever you want to use to keep those flakes in place. I did not do it on the thumb, and again, it was not very easy, especially when you go to encapsulate it starts moving around. No bueno. Okay, so we're gonna encapsulate these flakes, and I'm choosing a couple chunky ones, and then I'm using mostly those fine ones, because I find that when you go to encapsulate, you don't want it to be super bulky. So if you find your flakes are too bulky, go ahead and take some saran wrap, because again, we used a very thin layer of Jimmy Gel, so you don't have to really worry about the spread of the gel. Go ahead and wrap your nail. If you saw my flower tutorial where I show how I do that when some of the flowers are sticking up, it's the same concept here. I can link that in the corner for you guys if you want to check it out. But essentially you just put a small layer of saran wrap on it, pull it, but again, we're keeping the Jimmy Gel in the middle, and you don't have to worry about the seepage because it's a very thin layer. You pull it and you go into the light, and it will actually help whatever's on your nail lay flat. I know a lot of people use it for some of the metal things as well, to keep kind of that rounded, I guess, look or flush to the nail before encapsulating. So we're finishing this bad boy up. I guess I just got off on a tangent. I love this glitter. And so the reason, that's a bunch of glitter. So the reason I chose this glitter is because it had a pink undertone. There's a ton of different flakes that have a bunch of different undertones, but this had like a pink, purple, red, yellow, green. I mean, I guess it's kind of like an aurora, but the primary color you see is like a pink, maybe even purpley blue. I don't know. I just loved it. So, Bee in Your Bonnet, one of my favorites, absolute favorites. So we are going to kind of go around the outside, and you can see the thumb, some of the flakes start moving because, you know, we didn't put the Jimmy gel down and cure it. They're just free on the nail. So I kind of go around. This one I'm a lot more delicate than the farther ones down the nail, but you can see I kind of kept the glitter in the middle, like the loose glitter, and then I'm coming in with the gel around the side, and then we will kind of bring it in a little bit and then bring it towards the cuticle. So we're kind of just keeping this around the outside with bringing it in just a little bit. So I will go ahead and let you finish watching this.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces.
All right, this is from my Amazon haul, the liquid gold. This is rose gold. Now, again, I said I had built up my nails a little bit too much. I originally wanted this encapsulated, and I eventually did that. However, when I went to file, I filed a ton of it off, and then I had to come back in and draw it, and I kept it super thin when I redrew it. But I just want to let you know, make sure you're not building up your nail, and this is a really good reason why you shouldn't, because it just, like, you file it off because it's too bulky, and I don't like bulky nails at all. So I just go around the outside, kind of where Bee in Your Bonnet is, and I'm just framing the nail. It's not going to go all the way to the edge on some of them, and there's going to be gaps and kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, I pull parts of it into it, and then I add a couple dots in there to kind of give it the full effect. And I will go ahead and let you watch that.
Fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
coming in with Jimmy Gel, and we are going to encapsulate. My Jimmy Gel is running low. I have another one, but I'm trying to use this bad boy up. See what I mean? We need to keep it thin, and I built this nail up. And I built them all up, but this one I had filed off a little bit too much, so I thought. I didn't. I should have just left it at this. So it takes a couple little drops of Jimmy Gel to get that. I probably should have just come in with One Step or Extreme or Cool Gel, something, because I'm almost low on this, or I'm almost out on this. So I encapsulate this, and then I go in with a top coat. And I only show you the thumb because I don't want to waste your time on the rest of them, because you guys have seen many tutorials where I do it. So I want to thank you guys for joining me today. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Sun could be soaked to the skin, and I'm all soon. I know she got the good